my name's Kit. And my name's Annabelle. We'd like to give you a tour of our house. We have a little brother and sister, but they're taking their naps right now. We'll get to them later. We'll start out here in the kitchen. This is where we eat. In this area here. Over here in this area of the kitchen, we have our fridge and our pantry, drawers of food. And on top of the drawers of food, we have our stove. Over here is our bathroom. In this corner where I am is the sink. And then over here is our toilet and bathtub with our stuff. This is one of our favorite parts, the closet with clothes. Good stuff, huh? Great, huh? Last but not least, the bedrooms. Over here is Kit's bedroom with her bed and nightstand, with all of her school stuff, even her glasses. Now, over here is the Biddy twins' beds, where they're sleeping now. And then, my room. This is just like McKenna's bed. My dad made it. Because it would cost so much for the real one. Hi, my name's John. And this is my sister, Joey. And we're twins. That's all for today, folks. Bye!